You know I am. I don't care. It's funny. Come closer. Come here. Come on. Come closer. Come here. You had it. You had it right there, and you pulled your arm back out. You had your arm right in the sleeve. You were all set, ready to rock. Yeah. Yeah. Almost there. Can you get your arm all the way through? Then pull it over. Watch out. Don't get your little head stuck. Congratulations. You just put your sweatshirt on. Pull your little hair out. Do the thing. Pull your hair out. Your hair's all stuck in your thing. In the hood there. There you go. Congratulations. You've officially changed your sweatshirt. High five? Can I get a high five for that one? No high five? You stink.